Hi friends, today I'm going to show you how to convert the PowerPoint text or the words what you have in the slides into a vector shape or into an object, so that you have each word by word as a shape. And it's used in multiple, scenarios. So let us see how we can do it. So let's begin. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to insert a blank slide. I'm going to the format background. I'm going to insert the picture and I'm going to insert a background picture. It's just for the sake of putting the design. You can put whatever background you want. So the next thing is to insert the text, the text you want to convert into the vector shape. So here I'm going to use the Montserrat black font. So let us type some text. Convert the PowerPoint text into vectors slash objects. So let's see how it goes. So now I'm going to make it slightly big. So let's see how this works. So now this is a text box wherein you have the text. Now you want to convert this into the vector shape. So what you have to do is that uh, you have to go to insert. You have to go to the shape, any shape which covers this box. So I'm going to use this blue, like, or yellow, just for the sake outline. I'm just putting no outline and I'm going to just send backward. So I'm going to select this and I'm going to select the yellow box. After this, you have to go to the merge shapes. You have to go to fragment. Okay, so after that, just click only on the box, delete it. So that's it. And you have to delete the, because since this is converted into the fragments, everything, every bits and pieces of the text gets converted into the fragments. So just remove this manually. I'm just removing the unwanted, fragments. Sorry. Yes, the middle one. Yes, I think we are done. So if you see, the entire text is converted into the vector shape. Into now you have each as an object. And now if you want to change the color of this text, you can just go to format. You can just give, if you want to give orange color, yellow color, up to you. So this is how it is done. Hope you like the video. Thank you.